A young child can learn responsibilities in watching this beauty pageant.
Thank you very much for that nice question. Aside from being entertained in this contest, each and everyone has responsibility to do good things, whether you're a man, a woman, a gay or a lesbian, or even a child. You know what, ladies and gentlemen? We're not here to trample our dignity, nor to disgrace our morality. But we are here to uplift our personality and for responsibility of being productive and creative person of this society. What a young child can learn watching this pageant is that to do a good things. Because when you say responsible, it's a conscience. Conscience is not a physical thing that you cannot pinpoint to any given time. Rather, it's a moral sense to know what is right for what is wrong. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that a young child can learn a good things from us, even though that I'm a homosexual. Because, ladies and gentlemen, we are own God's image and we are vessels with the power to grow. We are an architect of our own destiny. We are an architect with a certain power to equip and an intellect and equip ourselves to lift ourselves towards heaven. That would be all, and thank you very much.